Many people feel that you are going to be famous. Your impact on the world is remembered wherever you go. Many people feel like you are highly intelligent. You may speak about things of a higher knowledge than what people are used to. So many people feel like you could be a philosopher, a famous philosopher one day, a university professor, a lawyer, a judge, a publisher, an author, an editor, an airline employer, an international businessman or woman. You are very enthusiastic. You are very high vibrational. You have this electric energy that exudes optimism, excitement, joy. You are so enthusiastic about your role. Some of you are very skilled in athletics, and many people are looking at you to be the future of that sport. If you do track and field, if you do hurdles, you have the natural ability to do your job to the highest level. Even if you're not an athlete, you have the stamina of one whenever you pour into your roles. And it wasn't always like this, because you may have felt like you didn't know which direction to go. You may have felt quite stagnant and stuck. Maybe some of you came from a background whereby you wasn't given the support, or people in your family didn't do what you are going to do. And you're going to be the first one in the family. Some of you are going to be famous real estate agents, interior designers, bakers, cooks, childminders, family therapists, farmers, restaurant owners, home business owners. You may have a job online that you can choose to work from home with. You are changing the legacy of your family. You've seen what didn't work in the past with individuals from your family, and you are going to show the next generation the new way. You know, many of you are starting out right now, and some of you may become fitness coaches. Some of you are going to be known as famous dietitians, mental health advocates, in positions where you help others who are starting out in their career, who are apprentices. Some of you can set up your own charity and organizations in regards to being an apprentice, helping the youths. Some of you are going to be known as dietitians, famous dietitians. You may also help others to help themselves in roles that may not even require you to do so, but you can come up with an original idea whereby at work you offer support. This could be done through meditations. This could also be offering a service where it helps to heal. So you could be known as a famous occupational therapist, a famous, I'm hearing hypnotist for some of you, massage therapist, meditation coach, yoga teacher. And for some of you, your ideas are before its time. So you may have met up with bosses in the past that weren't down for your ideas and your new way of being. But you have a distinct approach that actually works. Your mindset, your skill set is precise, and many won't be able to argue with it. And your outlook will be implemented in whatever area of work that you work in. If you've been blocked in the past in regards to trying to launch an idea or trying to get into a certain area of work, certain organization, that's coming to an end. Those doors will open, and some of you are going to be known as famous psychologists, stockbrokers, accountants, trauma healers, will estate lawyers. You are going to transform whatever industry you are in. And in the past, if you faced disappointment, you will receive your flowers moving forward. And some of you don't want fame. I understand that, because we have the Six of Wands in the reverse. This is the fame card. Some of you just want to do what you love and live a peaceful life. And you'll be able to do that. But whenever people hear your name, it will have a lot of power to it. Many people from the past will be trying to come back in, maybe to collaborate with you, maybe to work with you. It's up to you as to whether or not you want to align with these individuals, especially if these individuals played a part in your career taking off. So be mindful of that. Maybe these individuals may want to come back in to gain some of your fame and success. But you will connect to your true soul tribe. Individuals like yourself, who are innovators, who are ambitious, and you will feel a sense of peace and ease, because in the past you may have been around individuals who were very stuck and stagnant. Maybe they were not where they wanted to be, and seeing you with these ideas, with this talent, may have rubbed them up the wrong way. So they were fueled to try and block you or sabotage you in some way. Or maybe some of these individuals couldn't think outside the box, and they thought your ideas and your talent was too unique. So they may have chosen not to help. Whatever the case is, regardless of the fact, you will connect to your soul tribe, who won't do what was done to you in the past. Because many of you are going to be famous IT and AI creators, creating your own apps, charity organizers, activists, event planners, social media influencers, astrologers, tarot readers. So if you've been thinking of starting your own YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, now's the time. Even Threads. People are going to love what you do. People are not going to want to let go of you, in a sense of, some people may feel like, I wish I found this talent much sooner. You are a rare breed. And some people are going to believe in your talent so much, they won't want to let you go. I'm hearing for some of you, this could be a love interest also. They will believe in your talent. They will want to invest in your talent, but they may become a little bit territorial of your talent. But it's only because they will try and protect you, because they will understand that your talent is never seen before. And some people may try and use your talent for their own benefit. So if you've got a partner or a friend, you may actually collaborate with them and be like a power couple. But for some of you, I feel like this person, hearing the word gatekeep, they may appear like they're trying to gatekeep your talent, but it's because they will see the leeches. So they will try and protect you. So you will have people protecting you, protecting your talent, so that people can't manipulate you out of money and use you for their own gains. Many of you are going to be famous nail technicians, hairstylists, artists, models. You'll be known for your food, how you cook, your baking, for your voice. Some of you may be famous voice coaches, designers. And you may have tried to do certain jobs in the past, but they didn't pick up off the ground because it wasn't the right timing. Maybe Spirit wanted you to clear out some karmas that were going on in your life, so that when you reach a certain level, you don't bring these energies, these people, these habits into a new cycle, because it wouldn't align. So there was things that you needed to do, healing that needed to be done, people that needed to go, mindsets that needed to shift in order for you to get to that next level. And you will get to that next level. And some of you are going to become famous athletes, entertainers, actors, musicians, dancers, painters, filmmakers, youth coaches, club owners, entrepreneurs, and sport coaches. Known for your know-how, your skills, and your talents. Some of you will be famous teachers, journalists, content creators, podcast hosts, researchers, known for your unique mind, skill set, teaching abilities. And those that may try and compete with you, they will realize that there's no point, because you are going to be known as uncompetable with. Whether people say that to you or not, you are going to be before your time, in your own lane, the best in your field. You're going to receive many accolades, medals, trophies. You're going to fly. And those blockages, as mentioned before, that were in your way, there'll be no more. Those that did try and compete with you will give up or won't even try, because it'll be pointless. You are going to be seen as a powerful leader, a CEO. Some of you are going to be famous bosses, managers. Your reputation is going to be known as one not to play with, a person not to try and come up against, a person that is the best in their field. Some of you have strong MC 10th house placements. You are destined to be in the spotlight. You are destined to be known for your skills and your talents. And only those that are on the same frequency as you will allow around you. You're now learning that not any and everyone can be around you, because unfortunately in the past you aligned with fans who may have become territorial of your energy, restricting you from your growth, because you have that energy whereby we are all as one. You are very relatable and you don't look down on others, which is a good thing. But you learned that some of these individuals either tried to mimic your ideas to become you, or to be you, the same thing, or block your ideas and talents. So you're being very cautious now. You're going to start rolling with the big boys and the big girls, right? People that are on your level. There's no more time for feeling sorry for others, because when you were feeling sorry for others and befriending people who weren't healthy to be around you and your talent, it led to a lot of disappointment, toxicity, jealousy. And for some of you, they could have destroyed your reputation because of your association with these people. You're moving away from that. You have more discernment over your time. And some of you are going to be so busy that you won't even have time to hang out with others, because you'll be building your empire. And Spirit is saying, do find a balance with your personal life and your work life. But the next 3 years are going to be very intense. but you will reap the rewards, right? This is a Saturn card. This is Capricorn energy. Capricorn is ruled by the planet Saturn. Saturn is the planet of restrictions and rules and regulations, but if you do not take shortcuts, Saturn will bless you at the end of the transit. You got things to do, a legacy to create. People can sense the fame in your energy field, and with that can bring on jealousy, but it can also bring along different caliber of people that want to align with you, that want to work with you, that see the vision, that will help your vision to manifest into reality. You got the backing of spirit, so you'll be okay. You're protected. But keep believing in yourself. Keep healing. Transmuting any negative energy and turning it into purpose and power. Stay away from those that are not for you, that have tried to block you in the past, because they will come back in the future and they will want to ride off your coattails. Stay focused, because you're headed for success. It's your birthright. You or the people mentioned in the reading could be of the signs Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Virgo, Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, Libra, Leo, Gemini, Capricorn, Libra, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. Not only will you be famous for what you are going to be known for, you'll be very financially abundant, because you are abundant within. Keep shining, butterflies. I'll speak to you soon. Peace out.